today I'm going to talk about anxious attachment style, anxious attachment style is, and how you can heal yourself if you're suffering from anxious attachment style. I, for one, I used to suffer from anxious attachment style. There's so many ways we suffer from it, especially women. It's usually experienced in your relationship. However, there are so many things you can do to heal yourself and completely be free from anxious attachment style. So let's start. What is an anxious attachment style? An anxious attachment style is just a feeling of nervousness and maybe mistrust, especially when you are in a relationship. You feel like your partner is not trustworthy, or maybe your partner is not living up to your expectation. You start running all these negative thoughts in your mind on what could be going on. Let's say your partner doesn't call you as they're supposed to call you, or you don't get validation from your partner as frequently as you would like to, and then you start feeling all this anxious anxiety and stuff like that. Most of the time this could be from abandonment issues, especially as a child. However, there are some ways that you can deal with that and heal yourself and completely be free from that. So the first way that I'll talk about for you to be able to heal yourself as a feminine energy woman is to actually drop into your body and feel how you're feeling. Most of the time, if we don't hear, let's say our partner doesn't call us, we start feeling anxious. Maybe you can feel where the anxiety is coming from. Some people, maybe it's from their heart, they start having palpitation, their heart start beating very fast, or their mind, they start having a headache. They need a lot of assurance from their partner and things like that. So feel the feeling and expose yourself to that feeling. Run the scenario in your head. Look at the facts. Why is your partner not calling you? Most of the time, your brain is trying to deceive you. Your brain is trying to keep you safe. So your brain always comes up with all the worst case scenario. That way, in case the worst case scenario occurs, you'll be safe. However, reassure your body and your brain that, you know what, I'm safe no matter what. With or without my partner, I am perfectly safe. So reassure yourself that you're perfectly okay. That's the first thing. And then get the facts, really actually process it. The second way to deal with this is trust God, or just trust the universe, whichever one you believe in. Trust God and have a positive mindset, knowing that everything is working out for your good. For example, let's say your partner is cheating. Well, that's probably God helping you to know that that wasn't the right person for you in the first place. Will you rather know now, or will you want to know 10 years from now? So trust the universe, trust God, and know that it's all working out for your good. And you want to make sure you actually put this affirmation in your mind: everything is working out for my good. So that's a second way, be positive. And then another third way will be stop putting your partner in a pedestal. What do I mean by pedestal? I mean placing your partner in a way that they are just not like human being, like they are this perfect person that they can never do something wrong. Just like you would like your partner to be for you, with you when you have your bad days, you definitely want to also consider them human, that you want to be available for them if they're having a bad day. So don't expect them to be perfect in everything that they say, think, or do, and just be able to read your mind. Some women think that their partners are mind readers and they should already know exactly what they want. We have to give grace to each other and know that people are human and they'll definitely make mistakes. So that would be another way of dealing with anxious attachment style. So stop putting your partner in a pedestal. Try to reassure yourself and make sure that you tell yourself you're already safe with or without your partner. and then know that everything is definitely working for your good. So another way that you can also deal with this will be send love to your partner or to whatever thing is causing anxiety. Kind of just feel the love that you have. Let's say you love your partner so much and you want to make sure that they are safe, they're doing everything okay. You just feel that love and then psychologically imagine pouring that love into them. Most of the time when people do this, they actually hear from their partner. Let's say their partner will call or text them, but that must not be the reason why you're doing that. That means you're just doing that just to make sure that you're reassuring your own self that, okay, let me send this person love. I'm feeling this because of love. Let me give them the love that I'm feeling. And then they'll reciprocate without you even actually picking up the phone to call them. Well, that's all I got for you today about anxious attachment style. Follow me on TikTok if you want to hear more about this topic. I'm also on YouTube, Eveline Sophie. You can sign up for my coaching program under growwealtheasy.com. Thank you for listening, and I hope you have a blissful relationship. Bye.